Hello everyone, I am Priyanka Bhande, Assistant Professor of Computer Science and Engineering Department from Tulsiramji Gaikwad Patil College of Engineering and Technology. Today we are going to learn about the issues of information security and the need of the information security. The first issue of the security is the piracy. Piracy is the biggest issue of the information security. Why? Because it is one of the biggest problem with the digital products. Websites such as the pirated are used to distribute the copyrighted materials such as audio, video, softwares, etc. Copyright refers to the unauthorized use of copyright materials. So the fast internet access and reducing the cost of storage having also contributed to the growth of copyright crimes. So it is one of the biggest issue of the information security. Now the second one is the click fraud. Click fraud is if I'm giving one example, the advertising companies such as Google AdSense offers per click advertising services. It means whatever the link we are seeing on websites, if we click on them, then after clicking our click, they automatically transfer the money to their accounts. So the click fraud occurs when a person clicks such a links with no intentions of knowing the more about the clicks, but they make a more money. So this can also be accomplished by using the automated softwares. They made automated softwares that makes the clicks. This is also the biggest issue of the information security. Now the third one is the advanced fee fraud. For example, an email is sent to the target victim that promises them a lot of money in favor of helping them to claim their inheritance money. Okay, in such a cases, the criminal usually pretends to be a close relative of a very rich, well known person who died. So he or she claims to have inherited the wealth of the late rich person and needs help to claim the inheritance. So he or she will ask for financial assistance and promises to reward later. If the victim sends the money to the scammer vanished and the victim loses the money. So this is the biggest issue of the information security. So now the fourth one is hacking. Hacking is used to bypass security controls to gain the unauthorized access to a system. Once the attacker has gained access to the system, they can do whatever they want. Some of the common activities they done when the system is hacked. The one activity is to install the programs that allow the attacker to spy on the user or control the system remotely. Or second is the deface the websites, or hacker may steal the sensitive information. This can be done using the techniques such as the SQL injections, exploiting exploiting the vuln- yes, these techniques we are used in the SQL injection also. In the database software to gain the access from the authorized system, the hacker they can do anything. Now the fifth one is the computer virus. Computer virus is nothing but the unauthorized program that can annoy the users, steal the sensitive data, or be used to control the equipment that be controlled by the computers. This is done by the viruses. So this is all about the issues of the information. Now the next topic is the need of information network security. Why the need of the information security? Because earlier we see the issues of security. The main issue why we here are arises when a computer network is a group of computers and associated devices connected to each other in order to provide the communication, information sharing, and resource sharing also. The computer can be located in a small area, in city, or all over the world. They can be connected through the metallic cables, optical cables, or a satellite links depending on the areas. Okay. These networks needs the security against the attackers and hackers, right? So the network security includes the two basic securities. First one is the security of a data information, that is to protect the information from unauthorized access and loss. And the second is computer security, that is to protect the data from the hackers. So here, network security not only the means security in the single network, rather in any other network or networks of networks we can say. Now our need of the network security has broken into two needs. One is the need of information security and other is the need of computer security. Okay. So on internet or any network of the organization, thousands of important information is exchanged daily. So this information can be misused by the attackers. The information security is needed for the some reasons. These reasons are to protect the secret information users on the net only. No matter person should see or access it. This is the one of the need of the information security. Now the second is to protect the information from unwanted editing, accidentally or intentionally by unauthorized users, isn't it? To protect the information from loss and make it to be a delivered to be the destination properly. Whatever we sending the data from sender, so it should be received by the receiver properly. So this is also the need of the information network security. Now, to manage or acknowledgement of the message received by a node to order to protect from the denial by sender in specific situations. So, to restrict a user to send some messages to another user with the name of the third one. Whatever the message is sent, this is the authenticated message is essential. If any third person will send that message, so this is not the exact security we provided. So these are the main reasons we have to do the need of the information security. So this is all about the issues and need of the information security. Thank you. Thank you everyone.